Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. The Nasdaq-100 made the biggest move, increasing about 0.6%, followed by the S&P 500. The Dow was barely changed, and the small-cap Russell 2000 ended lower. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with communication services at the top and consumer staples following. To the downside, real estate and utilities were the sole sectors to end in the red. Looking at some stocks on the move, Apple is halting the sale of its Series 9 and Ultra 2 watches. It's to preemptively comply with the International Trade Commission's import ban on the wearable tech. The ITC issued the ban in response to a long-running patent dispute between Apple and medtech company Masimo around the Apple Watch's blood oxygen sensor technology. Masimo has claimed Apple infringed on its Pulse technology. Apple said it'll be pursuing a range of legal and technical options to ensure that its watch is available to customers. Apple shares closed lower. Corp was the biggest loser in the S&P 500 today after announcing that a cybersecurity breach may impact business. The apparel and footwear company first detected the breach on December 13th. And while customers are still able to place orders online, Corp said the breach has disrupted its ability to fulfill those orders. And finally, Adobe shares closed more than 2% higher today after announcing plans to terminate its $20 billion acquisition of software design company Figma. Adobe said it was a mutual decision because executives could not see a clear path through UK and European regulators. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. In data, we'll have building permits, housing starts, and the BOJ interest rate decision. And for earnings, we'll hear from FedEx post-market. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.